Welcome back. As of now, we've already finished typing all the information, getting all the information for the daily cost for early schedule, and also the daily and the cumulative cost for late schedule based on the previous two videos. Now we are going to get the daily cost for our target and the cumulative for our target as well. So here we've got the cost and got the information in the notepad. We are going to use the Excel spreadsheet to help with the calculation for the daily and the cumulative cost for our target schedule. So make sure you save this, and once you save it, you can close it down. And so those are two graphs that we just finished using. So for this process, for this step, I'm going to integrate the the curve, the S-curve for the early and late. So we are going to import the data. So open and browse to the text file, which is the file you saved your cost. Make sure in the beginning by default it might be Excel file, but then you have to select the text file and get the cost and open it. So it will populate a dialog. So we're going to just choose the delimited next and select comma. So in that case, all the data will be one data in one cell. Next, and we click finish. So you should open up a new Excel spreadsheet file, and then at this point you can get your daily cost and cumulative for your target. As we already explained in the lecture, so the daily cost for the target is going to be the average between your early and late schedule. The cumulative, the same thing, the average between your early and late schedule. So something you guys can check is make sure for both the early and late schedule it should be all 40 data points. If you check it again, so that should be exactly 40 data points, the count 40, and they all should start and finish at the same point. So basically here for day 1 they all start at 300 for the cumulative for the early and late. So the same thing for your cumulative for your early and late should be exactly the same. So that's total project cost. I think I'm just going to stop right over here, and you guys can populate the data from here and also generate an integrated curve for your early, late, and target for the S-curve. And you guys can also integrate the daily cost for the early and late in one graph. So basically, eventually, you guys are going to create two graphs. Alright, I think that's it for the videos.